buffet. It's in Battersea. Before we start though, don't forget you can catch us on our live every Tuesdays and Fridays at 6 PM UK time. Alright, let's get to it. Let's go in. So here we are, this is the menu, it's £24.80. Now they say that there are no takeaways and also there are supplements for certain dishes.
Yeah, there you go, so you've got to see the supplements there. Also bear in mind there is a if you open it again, there is a £5 penalty there per person if you don't eat everything. So just be worried that you've got an hour and a half and no takeaways.
There we go.
I like this bit here actually, it's got a kid and baby, so a baby under 3 can eat for free for £6.80.
But there is so much on this menu.
So let's just have a look. Okay, so you'll see here you've got the boxes and these are the rounds. So round 1 you tick down for anything you want, and then in the second round you go down this section here, so you'll pick anything you like. You can see that some are supplemented, so it's an extra £3 on top of your £26.80. And there you are, so that's how you do the tick box round.
Okay, so you can only order 6 portions per round. We've actually ordered 10, so let's see if they give. We weren't counting as we were going along. Mark ordered a refillable tea, which is like a Japanese tea, and I ordered mineral water, so yeah, let's see how we get on.
More and more food come through. These are the octopus balls that have come through there. They look fantastic. I'm not entirely sure, this is one of Kelly's orders, but what was this?
I don't know, everything pretty much ordered was fish. I don't think I
so that's a fish of some time. You've got some gyozas here, which look nice.
I will tell you exactly what we ordered.
This is the octopus, which looks amazing. And some more gyozas here. Now some of them one of them is vegetable and one of them is chicken, did you get?
Yeah, so basically what we've got at the moment, or what we're about to have, is fried aubergine, pumpkin karaage, teriyaki octopus balls, 2 pieces, sesame corn toast, fish cake with cheese, and squid, which is 6 pieces. So, this is the squid.
That's the squid right there.
Okay, we've got egg fried rice coming, and we've got yaki udon with vegetables coming as well.
Fantastic. Right, let's chow down.
I've got to say that's round one done, and I'm starting to get full. I don't eat them anyway, and I came with a empty stomach because I thought I really want to try and enjoy quite a few things. Mark is just powering through. He's got no problems, and I'm just thinking, right, okay, because I want to go out later and get some more stuff. And we're going to do an eat at home later, but not from here, from somewhere else. But let's see what we're getting now too. Into the second round, I've got char siu rice. We've got some more pumpkin because Mark really liked it. We got some tempura prawns. These katsu, one of the two. And then these are tempura, mixed tempura. So it's vegetables and prawns. And then again, we went for the udon noodles, the vegetable udon noodles. And then you went for your, is it squid? Or
These are octopus balls. They are so nice. They're my favourite so far. That's why I've ordered a second round.
Now, I've also ordered some chicken satay, so I'm just waiting for that to come. So this is the chicken satay, but I was wondering, like, why is this up? Of course, that's the peanut sauce. And I was just like wondering, like, it didn't look cooked, and I was like, is that cooked? But of course, it's satay. So let me lift it up because I would drop that down me, no problem. So let me just lift it up.
You can hear the crunch.
That peanut is so sweet. It's not like other peanut satays. It's really delicious. It's a little bit oily, so I do wonder if maybe it might repeat on me a little bit later, but we'll see. But that is delicious. Okay, so this has just arrived and Mark is going to chow down. Yeah.
It's very fresh. Very good. Really nice.
You're going to take a bite of the cone?
Well, before I do, I think I should just double check.
Oh, right, okay. For science purposes. Oh, Mark's going to try the prawn first. This is the prawn tamaki, and it's one piece cone shaped roll with rice and fillings.
It's just like a giant sushi thing. That is so good, but because you've got the tempura and the batter in there as well, it just goes so well with the rice. That is amazing. Try it right now.
Oh. Yeah.
Really fresh. The combo of rice and salmon is so nice.
Yeah, looks really good.
It is, honestly, that's delicious. It's really, really good.
I've already taken a sneaky bite of this rice, but it's so good, especially with the sesame seeds on. So nice, so flavourful.
Yeah, I tried it with the sesame seeds on. It's delicious. We did have this in round one, but we were so greedy, we didn't film it properly.
But in round one, it was just egg fried rice. This is char siu, so it's got bits of pork in, but really good.
Well, I am getting a bit full, even though this is round two. We did order a lot in round two.
Yeah.
So I'm going to try some of the tempura. Let me go for this one because that one's stuck together. Well, actually, got the veg there. I'm going to try the fish.
Because we had the tempura aubergine earlier.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's really nice. I'm going to try this one. So this is the
katsu, I think.
Yeah, katsu.
Katsu prawns.
Glad you said that because I thought I was going to say teriyaki.
Yeah, no, katsu. Which is better, the tempura or the katsu?
Katsu.
Katsu, wow, okay.
for me.
There's also a ramen. What ramen is this?
So this is vegetable.
Vegetable ramen, okay. Yeah, see how hot it is. Yeah? Is it flavourful?
It's ever so refreshing.
Oh, really?
So it's very much like, because it's just vegetables. So
is it like a subtle flavour?
Yeah, very much so. It's like a subtle flavour. Which was, so it's not packed with like a very strong salty flavour.
Right.
It's got very, it's almost like a claret cleanser.
Clearly it plants.
Claret cleanser.
Okay. So I'm just going to try some of this broth. I'm really interested to see. It is fresh. Do you know what it is? It's all the, because you've got like cucumbers in there and sort of like the fresher type veg. So, you know, like spring onion, cucumber, you've got a little bit of pepper in there, so it makes it really fresh. It's just got that fresh taste. So yeah, it's nice. It's not good for me. I like something, you know, almost like a wonton broth or something. But this is teriyaki salmon's arrived. So Mark's going to try a little bit.
I want a bit of the sauce.
Obviously.
That teriyaki sauce is delicious. That is really, really
Is it salty? Is
it's got a very salty, not very salty, it's that salty style, but it's not very salty. It's really nice. It complements the salmon so well.
Oh, really?
It's very, very nice.
Can't wait to try some. So this is everything that we had. And it came to £57.30 in total, but that's not including service charge. What was great is that you could order here and also pay here. That's really good, and you just use the side there to pay. So yeah, really. Okay, so we've just finished at Sushi Café. It's on Battersea Park Road. We've come round the corner because it's a bit quieter and the pavement's quite thin there, so you can't walk up and down properly, but I really enjoyed it. The total bill came to £57.30 for the two of us. That's not including service charge. I got an itchy eye. It's so funny because there's people walking up and down there watching us, seeing what we're doing. But yeah, it came to £57.30, not including service charge. What did you think, Dan?
I thought it was really nice. I got to say, it's one of my favourite buffets. I am absolutely stuffed.
Yeah, we really thought, like they do say on the menu, it's only 6 portions of food at a time, so you can do round 1, round 2, round 3 and so on. It's for an hour and a half. Now by the time they cook the food and everything else, you can understand that your time does go down a little bit, but it's all freshly cooked, and the food's like really, I was about to say quite good. It is quite good. It's not the best that I've tasted, but it is really tasty, and value for money, it's really, really good. What did you think, value for money?
I thought it was amazing. I would rate it above Chino Latino's.
Oh, really?
And the reason being is because it's cooked, so it's more my thing.
Yeah.
Chino Latino's is more about
sushi.
Yeah.
It's more, see, that's the thing with Chino Latino, it's more sushi based, whereas this one, they do a lot of sushi here, but you can opt to have cooked things if you want to, and they do ramens, and I know Mark really likes some ramen. Go on.
Yeah, I was going to say the noodles were some of the best I've ever had. Really nice and flavourful as well.
Yeah, I thought it was very nice and flavourful. Would you recommend coming back here?
Yes, 100%.
So there you go. It's on Battersea Park Road. The closest station that I think is probably Clapham Junction. There is a Battersea station, but it's further away. It's on the other side. There's also Queenstown Road. Again, that's on the other side. So for me, the most direct route, I think, is Clapham Junction. It's probably about 10-15 minute walk from Clapham Junction. So yeah, there you go. Thank you for watching Mark and Kelly's Chips, Tips and Things. It's the end of this video. Don't forget you can join us on Tuesdays and Fridays, 6 PM UK time. Until then, remember, you're never too old to have fun. Bye for now.